Time travel, a concept that has captivated human imagination for centuries. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, it's an idea that teases the limits of what we believe is possible. But could it be more than just a fantasy? Could science hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of time itself? In this episode, we'll delve into the fascinating world of time travel. We'll explore the scientific theories, confront paradoxes, and ask the ultimate question: is time travel fact or fiction? Stay with us as we unravel one of the greatest enigmas of the universe. To understand time travel, we must first understand time itself. But what is time? Most of us experience it as a linear journey, past, present, future, a one-way street we're all travelling on. But according to Albert Einstein's groundbreaking theory of relativity, time is not a fixed constant. Einstein showed us that time and space are interconnected, forming what physicists call the space-time continuum. This continuum can bend, stretch, and even warp, depending on factors like gravity and velocity. In other words, time is not absolute, it's relative. This phenomenon is known as time dilation. The faster you travel, the slower time moves for you relative to others. This means that in theory, travelling to the future is possible. But what about travelling to the past? That's where things get complicated. Over the years, scientists have proposed several theories that could make time travel possible. Let's explore three of the most intriguing. First, there's the idea of travelling through time by moving close to the speed of light. As we just learned, time slows down at extreme speeds. If you could travel in a spaceship near the speed of light and return to Earth, decades might have passed here, while only years passed for you. Then we have wormholes. These are theoretical tunnels that connect two distant points in space and time. Think of them as shortcuts through the universe. If a stable wormhole existed, and that's a big if, it could allow instantaneous travel between 2 points in time. But there's a catch. Keeping a wormhole open might require exotic matter or negative energy, which remains purely theoretical. Finally, there's the concept of using extreme gravity to bend time. Black holes, for instance, have such immense gravitational pull that they can distort time itself. Could they be used as a gateway to another era? While intriguing, these methods remain far beyond our current technological capabilities. Even if time travel were scientifically possible, it introduces a host of paradoxes, logical puzzles that seem impossible to resolve. Take the famous grandfather paradox. If you were to travel back in time and prevent your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, would you even exist to make the trip in the first place? The mere act of altering the past could erase your own future. Then there's the Bootstrap paradox. Imagine you travel back in time and give Shakespeare a copy of Hamlet. Shakespeare publishes it and it becomes a classic. But who wrote it in the first place? You, or Shakespeare. Some scientists believe these paradoxes might be avoided through the concept of parallel universes. Each change you make in the past could create a new branch of reality. But this raises even more questions. Are these alternate timelines real? And if so, can we ever return to our original timeline? Time travel isn't just the subject of scientific debates. It's a popular theme in myths and legends. In 2000, a man named John Titor appeared on internet forums claiming to be a time traveller from the year 2036. He provided detailed descriptions of future events and technologies, sparking a frenzy of speculation. But as time passed, his predictions failed to come true, and Titor disappeared, raising suspicions that it was all an elaborate hoax. Then there are mysterious photographs and artefacts, like the so-called time-travelling hipster, a man in 1940s attire who appeared to be holding modern gadgets. While intriguing, these cases are often debunked as coincidences or clever fabrications. While time travel remains theoretical, the future may hold surprises. Advances in quantum physics are beginning to reveal the strange and unpredictable behaviour of particles at the smallest scales. Could this unlock the secrets of time manipulation? Supercomputers and artificial intelligence are also playing a role, helping scientists model complex equations that might one day make time travel a reality. But even if the technology becomes possible, ethical questions remain. Should humanity tamper with the timeline? And who would have the right to travel through time?